Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about equation of line in space. Equation of line in a space. A line is uniquely determined if it passes through a given point and has given direction, or it passes through two given points. So dear students, we can uniquely determine a line if one point on the line is given and also it is given that the line is in which direction. And the second method is that we can uniquely determine a line if 2 points on the line is given. So first of all, we are going to find equation of line through a given point and parallel to a given vector B. Let us suppose that line passes through point A whose position vector is A vector. Let us suppose that point A has position vector A vector with respect to origin O, and also it is given that line is parallel to B vector. To point A whose position vector is A vector and line is in the direction of B vector. So first we will draw a line. Suppose we have given B vector as this, and we have taken a point A. We have taken a point A whose position vector is A vector. Now from this point A, I am going to draw a line which is parallel to B vector. Suppose we have to find the equation of this line. Now the position vector of point A with respect to origin O is vector A. OA vector will be equal to A vector. Let P be any point on the line whose position vector is vector R. Let P be any general point on this line and its position vector with respect to point O is vector OP, which we have supposed as vector R. Vector OP equal to vector R. Vector OA equal to vector A. Therefore, we may write vector AP is equal to position vector of P minus position vector of A. This implies that AP vector is equal to small r vector minus small a vector. As it is given that line AP is parallel to B vector, so since AP vector is parallel to B vector, so AP vector will be equal to lambda times B vector for some scalar lambda. AP vector will be equal to R minus A vector is equal to lambda times B vector. This implies that R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector, which is required equation of line in vector form. Equation of line in vector form passing through point A vector and parallel to B vector. When we say that point A vector, this means position vector of point is A vector. So the equation of line in vector form becomes R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. Here I want to once again remind you that A vector is point vector and B vector is direction vector to which line is parallel. Now suppose we want to convert this vector form in Cartesian form. For this, let coordinates of point A are x1, y1, z1. Then position vector of point A, small a vector will be x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Also, let coordinates of any point P on line are x, y, z. Then R vector will be equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Let small a, small b, small c are direction ratios of line. Then the vector b to which the line is parallel will be b vector equal to ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now, as we have discussed the equation of line in vector form is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. So putting the value of R vector, A vector and B vector, we will get that xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda times ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now, this will imply that xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. In right hand side, we have I cap in two places, j cap in two places and k cap in two places. So we will take I cap, j cap and k cap common from these places. First we will take I cap common. Then in first vector in right hand side, we have coefficient of I cap as x1, and in second the coefficient of I cap will be lambda times a. Then put plus sign, and in bracket the coefficient of j cap will be y1 plus lambda times b, and the coefficient of k cap will be z1 plus lambda times c. Since these two vectors on left hand side and right hand side are equal, so their coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap will be equal. So equating them, we will get x is equal to x1 plus lambda times a, y is equal to y1 plus lambda times b, z equal to z1 plus lambda times c. This implies that x minus x1 upon a equal to lambda, y minus y1 upon b equal to lambda, z minus z1 upon c equal to lambda, which is required equation of line in Cartesian or scalar form, which passes through equation of line in Cartesian or scalar form which passes through point x1 y1 z1 and having direction ratios a b c. Now we will discuss about equation of line passing through two given points. Let us suppose that line passes through two points whose position vectors are a vector and b vector. Let us suppose that these points are capital A and capital B. These are 2 points from which line passes, and their position vector a vector and b vector. So suppose vector OA and vector OB. OA will be a vector and OB will be b vector, and we have to determine the equation of line passing through point A and B. We have to determine this equation for AB. Let us suppose that P be any point on the line whose position vector with respect to point O is vector R. Then vector OP will be vector R. Now, vector AB will be equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. This means B vector minus A vector. We have taken P as any point on the line whose position vector is vector R. Therefore, vector AP will be equal to position vector of P minus position vector of A, means vector R minus vector A. We have written vector AB and vector AP. As we can see in diagram that AB vector and AP vector are collinear, so we may write AP vector is equal to lambda times AB vector. Here lambda is any scalar. The value of AP vector will be R vector minus A vector, and the value of AB vector is B vector minus A vector. Transposing minus A vector from left hand side, we get R vector equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector minus A vector. This one is vector equation of line passing through points A vector and B vector. Here A vector, B vector are position vector of 2 points through which line passes. Now suppose we want to convert it in scalar form or Cartesian form. So let coordinates of A and B are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Then direction ratios of AB will be small a equal to x2 minus x1, small b equal to y2 minus y1, small c equal to z2 minus z1. So equation of line in Cartesian form, x minus x1 upon a. In place of a we will put x2 minus x1. Then this will be equal to y minus y1 upon b, and in place of b we will put y2 minus y1, and this will be equal to z minus z1 upon small c. In place of c we will put z2 minus z1. This one will be Cartesian equation of line passing through point x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. In numerator, in place of x1 y1 z1 we may also put x2 y2 z2. We may directly find this equation from r vector equal to a vector plus lambda times b minus a vector, as we have done in previous case when line passes through a point a vector and parallel to b vector. Now let us take two questions on this topic. These two questions are from exercise 11.2. The first one is question number 5. Find the equation of line in vector and in Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and is in the direction I plus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Solution. Here given point with position vector is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. So we will represent point as a vector. This is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and direction vector is written as b vector, and it is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Equation of line in vector form will be vector r equal to a vector plus lambda times b vector. Only put the value of a vector and b vector. We will get the required equation of line in vector form. The required equation of line in vector form becomes r vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda times I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now suppose we want to write it in Cartesian form. So as we have done earlier, put the value of r vector as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. We get this will give us xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. In right hand side we have 2 plus lambda times I cap plus in bracket minus 1 plus 2 lambda times j cap plus in bracket 4 minus lambda times k cap. Comparing both sides we get x is equal to 2 plus lambda, y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 lambda, z equal to 4 minus lambda. From this we may write x minus 2 is equal to lambda, y plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda, z minus 4 is equal to minus lambda. From these three we can get the value of lambda as x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y plus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 4 upon minus 1. This is Cartesian equation of line. We may also write this equation directly from the given point with position vector as 2i minus j plus 4k cap. If the position vector is 2i minus j plus 4k cap, this means the coordinates of point will be 2, minus 1, 4. And the direction vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So we may take direction ratio of line as 1, 2, minus 1. So we can directly use equation of line as x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. In place of x1, y1, z1, just put 2, minus 1, 4. And in place of a, b, c, just put 1, 2 and minus 1. And we will get the required Cartesian equation of line. Now let us take question number 6. Find the Cartesian equation of line which passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 upon 3 equal to y minus 4 upon 5 equal to z plus 8 upon 6. Here given point is through which line passes is minus 2, 4, minus 5. Line is parallel to x plus 3 upon 3 is equal to y minus 4 upon 5 equal to z plus 8 upon 6. So direction ratios of required line are 3, 5, 6. As it is given that line is parallel to x plus 3 upon 3 y equal to y minus 4 upon 5 equal to z plus 8 upon 6 and its direction is given as direction ratios 3, 5, 6. So direction ratio of required line will also be 3, 5, 6. Hence required equation of line in Cartesian form using x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. We get x minus, in place of x1 just put minus 2. On putting minus 2 we will get it as x plus 2. In place of y1 just put 4, so we will get y minus 4. And in place of z1 just put minus 5, so we will get z plus 5. After writing numerator, just write the value of a, b, c, means the value of direction ratios in place of a, b, c, and this is 3, 5, 6. This will be required Cartesian equation of line passing through point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the given line. Thank you.